Hello beauties, how are you today? Welcome to today's video. My name is Alexandra. If you're new here, I'm going to do a 10-minute look, and it's a super quick and easy look. It looks like you put a lot of effort in it, and I really wanted to share it with you guys. Nobody got time to do a 1-hour makeup look, and this has been my go-to look for a while now. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, so we want this look to be quick and easy. Nobody got time in the morning for a 1-hour makeup routine, so let's get moving. I will be only using concealer in this video. I will not be using foundation because I feel like it's good for your skin to breathe from time to time. So a no foundation look is what I've been doing lately. So enough talking, and let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to use my Born This Way concealer as always in the shade Light Beige. This is my favorite all-time concealer, and I use this as a concealer and a primer, of course, because we want to be quick and we don't have time for anything. By the way, are you subscribed? If you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're still doing here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the AlexBeauty family. And yeah, now you can continue watching. So I'm just concealing the areas where I'm a little bit red and where I have the most darkness. I have a lot of darkness under my eyes, but this is about it. I'm not gonna add any more, and I'm just gonna blend it out quickly with my Beauty blender. And then we're gonna have a few more steps and we're gonna be done. It's gonna be like the quickest, most luxurious glam look you've ever seen. You'll see, trust the process. And we are done with the base. Now let's go ahead and set everything. I have a small bruise right here. I'm not even gonna bother to cover it, honestly. Well, I'm just gonna use what's left of it from the concealer. I'm not gonna bother too much because you can't really see it. This is a bruise I have from when I did my Botox. So if you wanna see that video, go ahead and click the link right here and go ahead and check it out. I got Botox because of my bruxism, and I explained everything about it. And if you wanna see that video and if you're interested, please go ahead and click. So yeah, that's a little story that I shared with you guys. A little personal, but you know, we're a family here, so might as well share everything. Okay, now I'm just gonna set that concealer with some RCMA translucent powder, and I'm not gonna add too much because I want this look to be pretty natural. Well, that's what I always say, and then it ends up being like a full-on smoky eye. But no, we're just gonna add a tiny bit of translucent powder, and I'm gonna add some of it to my chin as well, the nose area, and a tiny bit on the forehead. And honestly, that's all the powder there needs to be. Okay, next step, very important step. During the week or when I'm in a hurry, I never do my brows. I just use some brow gel. Well, as I was saying, when I don't have time, I just use some brow pomade, not brow gel, sorry. And I use this one from L'Oreal, and this one is in the shade medium brown. This is their Brow Artist Plumper, as you can see right here. It's one of my favorite products for the brows. So I'm just gonna comb the brows upward, and that's about it. And boom, brows done. What, like 2 seconds? Not even. It was like a fraction of a second. No, actually not. But it was just like maybe, I don't know, 10 or 20 seconds. Let's go ahead and I don't know what I should do now. If I should bronze the skin or do the eyes first. I think I'm just gonna do the eyes first. So I'm just gonna use my Catrice palette, and I have this 5 in a box mini eyeshadow palette, and I discovered this in my drugstore makeup haul. I don't remember how I called that video, but I'll link that video up here. Oh yeah, it was best drugstore of 221, I think, something like that. I'm gonna link it up here, and I did find this amazing eyeshadow quad, and I'm obsessed with it. I've been using it since, and it's perfect just to add some color in your crease. I'm just using the light brown, and I'm only gonna use maybe, I think, just 1 shade to add some definition, and that's about it. So I'm just using this middle shade right here, and I'm probably gonna add a tiny bit of dark brown in the crease and under my eyes, and that's about it. Boom, pow, shakalaka. It's gonna be maybe 2 minutes. We're almost there. We're almost done. Actually in a hurry right now because I have to go somewhere. I have an appointment, and I do really need to make this a 10-minute look. So perfect for the video. I'm gonna go ahead and use it under my eyes too. I'm not changing the brush. I'm just using the same brush because why not? And then I'm switching to a petal brush from Essence, and I'm taking that same brown and I'm just adding it to my lower lash line, and then I'm taking the deep brown and adding it just to the outer corner, just to give a tiny bit of definition, but that's about it. Something like that, and just blending it out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade and add it to my lid, and I'm gonna take that same brush from Zoeva, and I'm just gonna pack it on real quick and blend it in with the other shade, and doing the same on the other eye, of course. Done. That was another minute. I'm gonna add some eyeliner. I'm just gonna use my Epic Ink liner from NYX, and this is the most amazing eyeliner on the market that I found so far. So I'm just gonna do a quick and easy eyeliner, just like so. I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Now it's time to add some mascara. So I'm just gonna use my Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline. I did do a comparison with the new Maybelline mascara, which is this one right here. So if you wanna see that video, and if you wanna see if I like the mascara, I'm gonna link it up here for you guys. But for today, I'm just gonna use this one, and I'm gonna coat my top and bottom lashes to the moon and back. Okay, done with mascara. Now I'm gonna add some bronzer and a lot of highlighter because I want it to be pow. I want it to pop. And I can't speak today. I'm going like super fast, and yeah, I can't speak that fast. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I want to add like a red liquid lipstick to make it like pow, you know, to make it pop. I'm gonna add my favorite bronzer from Hourglass. This one is in the shade Radiant Bronze Light, and I'm gonna use a brush from Better, and just gonna bronze up the skin a lot. And I'm also using it sort of as a blush. I normally don't use a blush. I prefer using a bronzer just because, I don't know, I feel like a blush doesn't just, I don't know, it just doesn't complement my skin. It's probably really stupid, but I don't know, I just don't like it on my skin. I'm gonna add some of it to the nose, just the normal areas, you know, where you would bronze up the skin. And now I'm gonna add some highlighter. Actually, I am gonna contour before adding the highlighter, and I'm gonna use my Hoola contour, and I'm gonna use it with my Zoeva brush, the Rose Gold 109 brush. I want my face to be quite chiseled, even though I'm not wearing foundation or a ton of product. I do want it to be like, you know, so it looks like I put in so much effort, but actually I haven't. All right, now it's time for highlighter. Where's my highlighter? Oh, here it is. Okay, so now it's time for my favorite highlighter from Jouer. I can't get enough of this highlighter. I've already hit pan. Well, I actually fell out of the pan, but yeah. This is my favorite highlighter from Jouer in the shade Skinny Dip. I'm gonna add quite a bit of highlighter because I want you to be able to see me from the moon. So yeah, I'm gonna add it right here and what's left of it, like around my face in the usual areas. I'm gonna add some to the inner corner, just like so, because it gives it a really nice touch. Maybe also a bit on the lip. Okay, we're good to go. Almost done. I'm gonna add some lipstick, and I'm using this Kat Von D red lipstick, and this one is in the shade Bachelorette. I love this lipstick. It's so gorgeous. So I'm just gonna apply that real quick. I don't know where my lip liner is. I just can't be bothered. So I'm gonna try and do my best without a lip liner, but I can't promise anything. Okay, so while my lipstick is drying, I am gonna add a lash, and I'm gonna add the Ardell 602 black lashes. I love these ones so much. They're perfect. And I'm just gonna trim them real quick and add them to my eyes. Okay, gonna add my lash, and this is like the most difficult part. I am not the biggest fan of adding lashes. So I just thickened up my eyeliner a little bit more because you could see the lash glue, and yeah, I think I am done. I love how this look came out. It looks like I actually put a lot of effort in it, but I didn't. I think I made it in 10 minutes, maybe a little bit above 10 minutes. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the look. I hope I gave you some inspiration for future looks, and I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, toodles!